Oh my gosh, spring is here. It is the Mary Kay 2025 spring launch. I cannot wait to tell you more about these fabulous products. I love spring. I had to get out my spring color and my favorite spring lipstick because I'm feeling it, you guys. It is winter here in the Midwest, feeling spring. So let's start with, you might have a spring break trip coming up. You're going to need some really high quality body SPF, and Mary Kay has it. So excited about this. It does not smell. It does not leave a white sheen on your body. It is high quality head to toe, and it is water resistant for up to 80 minutes. It feels really, really nice. And I have a pro tip for you. Would pair great with our mineral face sunscreen SPF 30. That is also, it's mineral, so it's really good at blocking the sun from your face. But I want to give you a pro tip, okay? Because I've got little faces, like little kid faces. I've got a 12-year-old and a 9-year-old. And I don't know, this is what it's like putting sunscreen on their face. Like they don't want anything to do with it. So my pro tip for you is get one of our liquid foundation brushes, okay? And you put the sunscreen right on the brush, like so, and you can brush it on. I mean, you can just get perfect application. It gets in all the nooks and crannies. They think it feels like a massage, so they absolutely love it. So this retails for $14. Get yourself one of these brushes to, if you're a mommy out there, one of my mommy friends, to just get that perfect application. And quite frankly, I have a brush for myself because I love how it feels and how it applies when I use a brush versus my fingers. So just a fun little pro tip. Also part of our sun line, fan favorite is back. She got a new dress on though. Okay, so fan favorite with the new dress is our Mary Kay After Sun replenishing gel. You guys, this is like, I call it adult aloe. It feels so good. It's so soothing. It's so great. And it just helps, you know, a day after sun-filled activity, or maybe you're in the wind, it comes out kind of this fun little blue color, and you can put it directly in your skin. It makes the most amazing body moisturizer. I sometimes use it after I shave. It's that good. Like, I'm not even kidding you. So it has a new look this year. We're so excited. Now, friends, this is special edition, meaning it's only here when it's here and then it's gone. And this sells out every single year. So if you need your After Sun replenishing gel, be sure to get that. One other thing, you can get a special bundle, okay? A special bundle when you purchase the Mary Kay Sunscreen SPF 50 and the special edition After Sun Gel. You are gonna get a fabulous beach towel, Mary Kay branded beach towel for just $5, which is so exciting. So it's a purchase with a purchase. It's one of those microfiber towels. I'm going to show it to you here, but it's completely fabulous. So make sure you get yourself the bundle of these two products. This one, the After Sun Gel retails for $20 and the Mary Kay sunscreen retails for $30. Okay, so together that's a $50 bundle. But honestly, I would add in this brush just for little faces or your own face if you're feeling extra bougie this spring break. Something else I want to talk about is, if you've not heard the word, Mary Kay has a brand new mascara. Let's turn it upside right there. It is our new Great Heights mascara. You guys, this is the mascara for you if you want length, you want to take your lashes to the next level. 75% longer lashes with just 3 coats. With just 1 coat, it's 43%. Okay, so I have it on my lashes. I have non-existent itty bitty little lashes. I love the curve in the brush, and the bristles on it are really short. Okay, you know, sometimes when you use a plastic brush, it has really long bristles. These are short, so it's easier to control the mascara. It's a little bit of a wetter formula. I have a whole video just on this that I'll put in the description. So if you want to see all about this new mascara, definitely check that out. It is time. We've been indoors too long to get our glows back. Okay, so we have the new it is limited edition bronzers. Okay, so it comes in deep glow and medium glow. And we have, okay, this is the medium glow. That would be if you're light ivory like me to like medium beige. And then we also have, for all of our deep beige to bronze ebony skin tone friends, we have the deep glow. Look at that beautiful gold. Will add so much warmth to your face when you get into those deeper skin tones. I absolutely love this. And what I always tell people is you can put bronzer everywhere, but if you want to kind of get a more sophisticated, kind of contoured look, do 2 number 3s on your face. So you do a 3 here, like keep it to the outsides of your face, and then a 3 here. I have a little on today. It's just like giving me that glow that I never knew I needed in the middle of winter time. So that's great. We also have this limited edition golden glow highlighter, which goes great like in the middle of your head. You can highlight top of your lip, a little on your chin, like wherever you want to create a light point. You can use it as a highlighter, as eyeshadow. Either of these could be worn that way, which I absolutely love. These retail for $22 each, okay? And you don't have to have a compact. They come in a little quick case like this, but friends, I think this just makes it more fun, right? Our Mary Kay compact is super cute, so we'll want that. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, there is a new way to do your eyebrows. I absolutely love this. So it is our new Mary Kay brow kit. 4 steps to erase brow regrets is what they're saying in the catalog. So, and it comes in blonde, dark brunette, and brunette. I'm obviously the blonde. So it has 3 different colors here. So it has a pomade. So this is kind of a waxy texture, a powder. That's why the colors are different. It's not really 2 different colors. It's a pomade and then the powder and then a highlighting powder. And then you get this nifty 2-sided brush. I don't know if you can see that. And a spoolie brush for blending. So what you do is you take one side of this angled brush into the pomade, like so. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm using Zoom as a mirror. And you add some of the pomade. I already have my eyebrows done with this. And then you take a little bit of the powder with the other side, like so. And you add that in, okay, wherever you need a little extra oomph. And then you can blend if needed with this little brush, okay? And then you can take a little, you can either use this brush or I used a little pointy brush, and you'll see this. I have a short on this, and you can just highlight your brow too if you just want a little highlighter under there just to give it a little bit of lift. These are really fun. This is great if you are looking for just a really natural but yet defined and awesome and sculpted looking eyebrow. This is the latest and greatest in makeup trends, are these awesome brow kits with the pomade powder and a highlighter that just give you versatility. You can make your brows look more dramatic, you can go more natural, and it's so easy to do with these kits. And these retail for $28. Okay, it's a great deal for a really incredible brow kit. So I hope you are as excited about the new Mary Kay line as I am. You guys, I hope you're going on a cool trip this spring break. Get your sun products, get your glow back, and get your brows looking great. So thanks for hanging with me and checking out the new spring 2025 line.